Diseases of grapevine. Vitis vinifera L. Downy mildew. Plasmopara viticola. Grapevines are one of the most widely grown fruit crops in the world with significant plantings in Europe, North and South America, South Africa and Australasia. Grapes are used in the production of wine, brandy, or non-fermented drinks and are eaten fresh or dried as raisins. In an effort to control a root-feeding aphid called phylloxera, resistant grape rootstocks were introduced to Europe from North America in 1878. At the same time, the downy mildew pathogen was introduced into France, probably as oospores on the imported rootstocks, and spread widely throughout Europe. In 1885, PMA. Milledit first used Bordeaux mixture, copper sulfate and lime, to control downy mildew in the vineyards of France, beginning the chemical era of disease control. In India, disease is present in almost all grape cultivated areas. Historical significance of downy mildew disease. Country: France, Europe. Period: 1878. Etiology: downy mildew caused by Plasmopara viticola. Consequences: 1. Reduced grape yields and quality greatly. 2. Killed young vines in many vineyards. 3. Wine industry affected and economy ruined. Scientific advancement. Discovery of Bordeaux mixture, 1885, by PMA Milledit. Symptoms: the pathogen infects all tender plant parts, showing small light green patches on upper surface of the new leaves and a whitish downy growth on a corresponding lower surface. The mildew growth may cover the entire leaf blade, which turns brown and withers. The disease may also spread to the floral parts and the fruits. The infected flower dies and drops away prematurely. The infected fruit become grayish, the skin hardens and shrivels. The infected berries and bunches become mummified. The juice quality of fruit is reduced. Kingdom: Chromalveolata. Phylum: Omycota. Class: Omycota. Order: Peronospirales. Family: Peronospiraceae. Pathogen characters: it is obligate parasite, produces coenocytic mycelium with globular haustoria. Sporangiophores branched at right angles to the main axis. Sporangio hyalin, produces biflagellated zoospores. Sexual reproduction by fusion of Antheridium and Oogonium producing oospores. Sporangiophores branched at right angles to the main. Disease cycle. Pollination. The pathogen survives on the infected leaves and vines as oospore and dormant mycelium. Primary infection by oospores and secondary spread takes through wind-borne sporangio and zoospores. Penetration takes place through stomata and wounds. Disease cycle of downy mildew of grape. Favorable condition. Sporangio germinates at 100 to 230 and disease development is favored during rainy season when there is heavy dew, RH 80% and temp. 23 to 270. Management. Remove all diseased leaves, shoots, bunches and flowers and destroy them. Use recommended spacing for planting vines. Training of the vines so that leaves should not be near to the ground. Improve sunlight penetration by removing excess vegetation, which will improve the microclimate condition. Remove leaves around the berry cluster to avoid increased RH. After pruning, spray Bordeaux mixture at 1% or difolatin at 0.2% or chlorothalonil at 0.2%. This may be repeated at weekly intervals. Spray metolixyl 8% plus mancozeb 64%, ridimyl MZ 2.5 grams, L or metolixyl 4% plus mancozeb 64% WP, ridimyl gold 2.5 grams, 1. Cultivation of resistant varieties like Amber Queen, Dogridge, Red Sultana, Bangalore Blue, Concord, Champion, Catawba.